winter is always a difficult time. Always a difficult time to wake up. I feel tired still, and I've had a good night's sleep. It's just the darkness doesn't, it just, yeah, just doesn't help. But anyway, the show must go on, as I always say. And making the lunch for the children, getting them ready to go to school. I need to put the light on because I can barely see. Or should I leave this one? Let's see. Oh my god. Too bright. What? Everyone's complaining it's too bright. Yeah, I need to sort out a few things in the kitchen before I go, because today I will be going to the Asian supermarket to get some stuff. I'm going to quickly tidy up the kitchen very, very quickly. Like I'll make snacks. Oh, is that pretzel? Okay. I haven't even had a cup of tea. So I've dropped the kids off to school. Baby seat or car seat is empty. That's how you know I'm free. I've been to the doctor's to pick up, what's it called? Oh my God. You see, now my words are getting confused. What did I pick up from the doctor? Like a vaccination card for, where is it? I'm just going to show the back. A vaccination card for my... I've just blocked the camera. Ha! A vaccination card for my baby, which I had left there. They had to fill in some details. Anyway, I'm talking too much. It's raining. I'm going to go to the city now. I'm going to meet up with a friend of mine. We will have some breakfast and then go to the Asian supermarket to get some seaweed and, yeah, stuff that my babies like that I cannot find in the normal supermarket. So yeah, okay, so I made it to where this Asian supermarket is, so I'm gonna get ready to go. Look, I didn't even take the tag off this coat. It's raining, so I need to wear a coat. It's not too cold. Yeah, hopefully they have everything that I need and I'll be very, very happy. The things that we do for our children, right? I literally go around looking for all the things that she likes, because she is obsessed with everything Asian, food, K-pop, everything. This is not too far from home, but it's still like a distance. Oh dear. Yeah, don't know what happened there. Anyway, I'm going to head into the shop and take you with me. Hopefully I can show you what's around. And I need some hair dye. Oh my God, your girl is graying. She is graying. I am growing old. I am graying. Anyway, ready to go now, so I'll take you around. See you in the shop. Okay, my life in Germany has just been all about trying to find my way around. Don't even know where I'm going now. Hopefully I find my way. Oh, hold on. Oh, I think I found it. You can already see Japanese supermarket. One. Here we go. Okay, I think I'm at the right place. So their seaweed collection is not actually as much as I would like it. And I don't even see the ones that my baby likes in here. Is there any more seaweed? That was a complete fail. I was in and out in like 5 minutes. it's, yeah, the selection is not that good. And the seaweed, which is mainly what I came here for, there was like 6 packs. So I'm not coming back to this one. It's not worth the drive all the way here. I then met up with my friend at this cute little cafe in town. We then met up with another friend of mine who was in town, and we had Vapiano's for lunch. I love Vapiano's. My favorite place to enjoy a nice pasta. It's not too expensive, but it's very delicious. I'll take a picture of it. It's been a long time. After lunch, we then had a little stroll through the city, and I have really grown in a different way. I went from having 0 friends to now I at least have 1 or 2 good friends that I can go outside with, have a nice lunch, walk through the city, and just, go shopping with, which is always nice because I've lived here and haven't made friends for a long time.